Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a specific spare part for vehicle electronics, the car navigation display touchscreen with part number 39710, TBA 305. This is a 7-inch navigation display designed as a direct replacement for models from 2016 to 2018. When an original navigation screen starts failing, becomes unresponsive, or gets damaged, finding a reliable replacement is key, and this part aims to fill that need. One of the primary benefits highlighted for this navigation display is its design as a direct replacement. This means it's engineered to fit seamlessly into the designated slot in compatible vehicles, making the installation process significantly simpler compared to aftermarket solutions that might require extensive modifications. For anyone looking to restore their car's original navigation functionality without a complicated setup, this direct fit is a major advantage. It's intended to be a straightforward swap for the old or broken unit. In terms of construction, the display touchscreen is stated to be made from PP material. This choice of material suggests a focus on durability and reliability for regular use within a vehicle environment. Car interiors are subject to varying temperatures and vibrations, so having a screen built to withstand these conditions is important for long-term performance. The material selection aims to ensure the display maintains its functionality and appearance over time, providing a dependable replacement part. Aesthetically, the navigation display comes in a sleek black color. This is a standard and versatile choice for car interiors, designed to blend in beautifully with most dashboard designs. The fashion design aspect refers to its ability to look like an original component, maintaining the factory look and feel of the vehicle's interior. It's not just about functionality, it's also about restoring the integrated appearance of the car's console. The physical dimensions of the touch replacement screen are provided as 29 centimeters by 17.5 centimeters by 14 centimeters. These specific measurements are crucial because they ensure the unit fits perfectly into the intended space within the vehicle dashboard for the 2016 to 2018 models it's designed for. Accurate dimensions are vital for a direct replacement part, guaranteeing that it slots in correctly and aligns with the surrounding dashboard components. This precise sizing is what makes the direct replacement claim viable and simplifies the installation process for the user or technician. Overall, this spare part offers a specific solution for a common issue with vehicle electronics, providing a direct, reliable, and aesthetically fitting replacement for the navigation display.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.